Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. And guys, make sure that you have your app updated. So guys, let's continue into Snapchat. After open this, click on your profile icon. And then normally if you just swipe down over here, and you can find the option create public profile. However, if you do not see this option are here, I'll see you guys how to find it. Scroll way up and click on the settings icon in the top right of corner. Swipe down to privacy control. So guys, you can see there will be a couple options you want to change. First, click on control me and make sure it's turned to everyone. Next, click on my story and make sure it's turned to everyone. And then click on quick add and show me in quick add. And just go to all of this privacy and make sure it's turned to everyone. And now then go back to your profile again. Swipe down and click on create public profile. Tap on continue. Then tap on get started. And last tap on create. And that's it. That's how you can make a public profile on Snapchat. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.